Keefer sits by a tree and wears a tattered black jacket with a hood up and stares intensely.
Hello? So, I guess I'm from the future. I arrive here decades after you. And I've been treading in your footsteps ever since. Do you think this is what you become? I made a decision. I choose to create my own in whatever woods I find myself in. I'm okay. But now I see that the decisions you made left me with no choice at all. I had to live like this if I wanted to survive, if I wanted to keep breathing fresh air. What can I say to make you get it? Look up from your screens and you're scrolling. Listen. Hear it? It's the sound of time running out. In 2022, have you even noticed the changes what are happening around you? Time is running out. Between you and me, there've been 11,000 sunrises. How many of them will you be around for? This future is of your making. Tread carefully.